Maayong adlaw, bay. Hindi masyadong malamig sa labas ngayon, -2 lang. Kaya it's perfect time to do a rescue situation for a 1999 Chevrolet Silverado 4.8 engine. Customer says it's cranking but it's not starting. So, nadala natin ang ating test light at saka long nose. We're trying to imagine the situation right now in the field. So, stay tuned. We need to open the hood and observe anong nangyayari sa sasakyang to. But first, kailangan nating i-boost kasi naubos na yung baterya. Red to dead, and then red to the donor, and then yung ground sa donor, lastly yung ground sa dead. Kung maaari sa malayo lang ng malayo sa dead na baterya para maiwasan ang sakuna. So at this point we are trying to verify ang customer's complaint. Yeah, the vehicle, ang sasakyan ay nagka-crank. We verified that ang sasakyan ay nagka-crank but hindi nagsta-start. Mayroon kasing tatlong elemento kailangan makita natin dito para aandar tong sasakyan. Una is kailangan natin ng hangin, pangalawa gas, pangatlo is spark na galing sa spark plug. Kasi wala tayong scanner, wala tayong mamahaling scanner na dala. Ang gamit natin dito ay test light lang, so mamili tayo kung saang way ang gagamitin natin, saang paraan gagamitin natin para matakol natin tong problema na to. At this point, I'm leaning towards gas. Walang gas, walang present ng gas kasi wala akong naaamoy ng gas. And then but we are just leaning. We are just guessing right now kasi wala tayong proof. Yung iba pwede naman natin sanang lagyan ng gas tong intake. Kung aandar, ma-confirm natin na walang gas. But the intake is tight. Very tight ang intake. Mahirap tanggalin. Sa atin ngayon na madali lang sana. So back to basic tayo. I-check natin yung fuse at saka supply. Yung fuse supply sa pump. Kung ma-verify natin na may supply, then we will go from there. So this is the relay. Ito ang relay na sinuplayan ng PCM ng 20 amperes. So merong supply sa kabila kung naputol ang fuse. No, the fuse is good. So we verify that the fuse is good, and then we will check for the relay. But before that, kailangan natin munang maintindihan. Pin 30 has a supply. Kailangan muna nating maintindihan paano natin mapapagana tong relay na to. Paano gumagana ang relay. Alam na ang relay ay isang electronic component na ginagawang switch na ginagamit ang maliit na supply para mag-control sa malaking supply. So ganito ang nangyayari sa relay natin ngayon. This is pin 85. This is pin 86. This is the coil. Kasi apat to. Four pins to. This is the coil. This is pin 30. This is pin 30. And this is pin 87. Okay. So kailangan tong relay na to may supply, may dalawang supply. Kailangan tong pin 30 may supply, at saka tong pin na to kailangan may supply din. So ito na check, na confirm natin na may supply to. Most probably, as we know sa Chevy, yung strategy ng Shiba na ginagamit yung PCM, the power control module ang nagbibigay ng supply na to. So most probably pagbigay ng 12 volts ng power control module ito ay ground. So this, it will energize this one, and this switch that's going like that will be switched on, Penny will be switched on. So this one will go, this one here will go to the fuel pump. That's how the relay works. So ngayon, sa tingin ko, i-bypass siguro natin yung control. I believe control is good. I-bypass natin ang control. Gawin natin, di natin gamitin ang relay at i-jumpera natin para may supply papunta sa relay. And then we will observe kung meron bang gas na lalabas. So there's a supply. So naka-jumper na yung pins ng relay. Then we will try. Kung may lalabas dyan, ibig sabihin gumagana yung pump. As we can see, walang pump. Then we confirm that the pump has a problem. At this point, we confirm that pump has a problem. Kasi kahit may supply, hindi siya gumagana. So, we confirm we have enough bullet now to condemn that pump. So, after several hours of changing that pump, it's a moment of truth now. Kung gagana ba to. Prime first. We'll find out. Kung umabot ka pa sa video to mga kabayan, paki-like naman at follow sa page. Nga. So ibig sabihin, pump ang diferensya para natumbok natin ng hindi tayo naglagay ng kahit anong parts. Dinayagnos natin ng tama. Hindi tayo nag-parts count. Hanggang sa